Hey, it's Dr. Greg, and today I'm going to go over with you something that just happened. Our patient Kim here has fallen in the snow. So if you or someone you know has fallen in the snow, this may be going on for you. We've seen this happen 3 times in the last 2 weeks. So when you wind up falling, particularly on an arm, all the shock gets absorbed into your upper back and neck. So Kim, what have you been feeling in the last few days?
Numbness in my hands and upper back just feels numb.
So what can usually happen is as it gets absorbed into your neck, it winds up causing shifts and changes in how the nerves in your upper back wind up working, supplying strength and energy to your arms and hands. We're going to do a couple of tests with Kim, and then we'll do an adjustment that we may do. This is also commonly happens after you've been in a car crash. Keep that there, don't let me push you down. Bring your arm down, elbow back, keep that there. Bring your arm forward, keep that there. So Kim's arm is weak in this position. Now let's have you turn your head this way and look up. Keep that there. Much better and stronger. Kim? Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to use our tool to help with adjusting there. So we're going to just have you relax your arm. We're going to adjust your head and your neck up here. All right. Look straight ahead. Arm comes up. Keep forward. Flip your wrist. Don't let me pull you back. How was that?
Better.
Super. So what we did was we wound up taking pressure off the nerves so that the strength and energy can start to get out to your hands and your arms. Can you feel your hands a little more?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. So if you or someone you know has fallen on the ice or has been in a crash, make sure you share this video with them so that they can get checked the way they need to and not allow problems to build. Thank you. I'm Dr. Greg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center.